Hello. In the previous lesson you have learned how to create a request for quotation. In this lesson I will show you how to change a request for quotation. So let's begin by navigating the SAP menu and go first to Logistics. Then go to Materials Management. Click on the first option, Purchasing. Go to RFQ/quotation and then click on Request for Quotation. For this lesson we are going to use transaction ME42 change. So let's go ahead and double click on this transaction. The change request for quotation initial screen is displayed. Let's go ahead and click on the search icon. Click on the purchasing document field and let's enter number 600,1116. This is number known to me from the previous lesson. If I want to see other requests for quotation greater than this number, I could go ahead, just click on the equal sign and change the single value to more values by saying greater or equal, and come here and confirm, and again confirm again. The number of hits, I could make it, instead of 500 I could narrow it to 20, and then come here and start the search, confirming the. Let's go ahead first and select the first document. Click to confirm again. Alright, this is the request for quotation that we are going to change. So let's go ahead and click on the continue icon. The request for quotation line item detail is displayed, and particular fields now are available for editing. The fields that can be edited include the request for quotation material quantity, RFQ quantity, the quotation deadline, and the required delivery date. These three fields can be edited. To delete an item, for example, if we have more than one item, want to delete this item, you have to select first the item or the line item, then set the delete indicator by choosing the edit from the edit menu here, and select delete or hit shift F2 and say yes to confirm. Notice that the delete indicator is shown right here. The deletion indicator can be removed by again choosing the item, go to edit and say reset deletion indicator, select it. So the garbage can, you don't see it anymore, which is the deletion indicator basically. To block a line item, select the line item, then set the blocking indicator by choosing edit menu and then block, or control plus shift plus F2 key functions. It's blocked. To unblock it again, select the item, go to edit and reset deletion indicator. That's to unblock a line item, you have to go and use the same exact option as if like the item is being deleted or set for deletion. Reset deletion indicator. If the quantity here to be changed, just highlight the quantity and make it 5, for example, if it need to be changed, and then go ahead and save your work to confirm the change of this request for quotation. Notice in the status bar, SAP is confirming that the RFQ that ends with 1116 has been changed. You have just learned how to change an RFQ using transaction ME42. Let's go ahead and review the quiz question that comes with this lesson, and if you have any problem you could go back and review the material one more time.